The Golden Coast, so called by Europeans on account of its abundant and copious yield of gold things and treasures of nature, as also of successful minds.
What is African pop? Good question. It is tricky to define, but one can easily recognize it or get the feel for the pleasing, soothing melodies. At the peak of skyrocketing popularity in Ghana, it's a group that has given birth to the name of that very style. It seems that African pop and Praye, the group, is here to stay.
These three young men have been working with Dan Grau, who they described as their favorite sound engineer. When we asked Dan Grau what differentiates one style from any other, he said,
what differentiates them are the rhythms. I mean, like reggae. I mean, reggae can never go without a chuck, you see. And the pop too can never go without the with the, I mean, the lows, you know what I'm saying.
And to any specifics or peculiarities of music in Ghana as opposed to the West, this is what he had to say.
Let's say in Ghana we are more used to simple chords, 1-4-5 chords and stuff, but whereby they need bridges and middle eights and stuff in their songs, whatever. So, I mean, the difference are progression changes and our progression changes.
It was purposely for the Nescafe African Revelation 2004 that these three young men got together. Initially, they had each been working on their own tracks, developing an individual style of their own. All three were working individually with Kojo Nkwantabisa, a sound engineer at his studio in Osu. Knowing their different styles and inclinations, he nonetheless encouraged them to bring their individual styles together into one harmonious whole. The result was phenomenal. They won both the national and West African regional awards.
So it was because of that we came together, and most of the time when I go to that same studio to work with that same engineer, I meet them also doing their thing, but I'm like, their style is good.
African pop is this kind of style Praye has kind of introduced, and normally it goes with the guitar, and we just sing with the guitar. That is just African pop, and we sing like we are rapping as well. It's a kind of sing talk. That's how, I mean, that's the main, that's the kind of style. The broom is a symbol for the group. We used not to be in a group, we were individuals that came together. So that unity, the symbol for the unity is the broom.
What we promise the whole world, not Ghana and Africa, the whole world is Praye is about to do something unique, something you've never seen before, something so special.
Praye presently holds its recording sessions in Nice Noise, a studio in La Paz. Winning the competition has opened new doors to these young men. They now have a studio to themselves and are recognized on the African market. Praye is also very much excited about the prospect of collaborating with other musicians from Mali, Senegal, and other West African countries. And as this young and promising group turns to lead, they seem confident about their future.
The Golden Coast, so called by Europeans on account of its abundant and copious yield of gold things and treasures of nature, as also of successful minds.